So hello all students, today we'll cover the silk fiber topic. It is from class 7 chapter 3 fiber to fabric. Silk fiber are also an animal fiber obtained from silkworm. Sericulture is the rearing of silkworms to obtain silk. Now life history of silk moth. There are 4 different stages in the development of silk moth, that is egg, larva, pupa and adult. नाउ द फर्स्ट स्टेज इज एग स्टेज. एग जो है फर्स्ट स्टेज है. फीमेल मॉथ जो है एग ले करती है मलबरी लीव्स में, और विद इन अ वीक एग जो है लार्वा में चेंज होता है. लार्वा जो है वेजिटेटिव फेज है जहाँ पे ग्रोथ होती है. इट लुक लाइक अ वॉर्म एंड इट इज फीड ऑन द मलबरी लीव्स एंड इट ग्रो इन साइज. आफ्टर व्हेन इट इज रीचेस टू फुल साइज, it enters the next stage of his life cycle called pupa. To hold itself, it first weaves a net and then swings its head from side to side to form the figure of 8. The silkworm, during its development of its head, secretes a fiber which is known as silk fiber. Now, this fiber is having a protein that hardens on exposure to air and becomes silk fiber. Soon, the caterpillar covers itself by a silk fiber and turns into a pupa. This covering is called cocoon and it protects the larva from predator. Inside the cocoon, the pupa develops into a moth. It is developed into an adult. Okay. The silk thread is obtained from cocoon of the silk moth. The variety of silk is obtained from cocoon spun by different type of moth, and it is lustrous, elastic, and can be dyed in beautiful colors. Now, for silk industry, the silk is obtained by rearing the moth, and their cocoons are collected to get silk thread. Now, rearing silkworms. The egg is laid by silk moth and are sold to the farmers. Now, the farmer क्या करेंगे, एग को कीप करेंगे हाइजीनिक एंड सुटेबल कंडीशन में, टेम्परेचर की ह्यूमिडिटी में. उसके बाद लार्वा उसमें से हैच होगा जो फैट होगा मलबरी लीव्स में, और उसके बाद उसको एक क्लीन बैम्बू ट्रे में रखा जाएगा. After 25 to 30 days, the caterpillar stop eating and move to a tiny chamber of bamboo in tray to spin cocoons. Now processing silk. The cocoon are collected and exposed to steam, sun or boiled to kill the insect inside them. The fiber obtained is called raw silk. The process of taking out of thread from cocoon for use as a silk is called reeling the silk. Now it is done using the special machine that unwinds the thread and fibers of silk from the cocoon. These silk fibers are spun into silk thread which are woven into silk cloth by weavers. So thank you. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कर लेंगे. ओके.